Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a tall glam Christmas centerpiece. And so what you're going to need, I've got two different kinds of diamond wrap here. Regular diamond wrap, floral diamond wrap. I've got two different kinds of glitter. I've got silver and also iridescent white. And I picked up these items. All four of them are from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event supplies, event decor, lighting, centerpiece decor, and so much more. They have provided me with a custom coupon code, a cozy casita, all one word just like the channel name. And you can use that coupon code to save yourself 15% on orders with Efavormart. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom coupon code and custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check that out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree are two of these glass candle holder plates. You'll need two of these taper candle holders. You'll need two of these Tealight holders. You're going to need a paintbrush. I've got some silver ornaments. I have got some white poinsettias. I have got some silver snowflakes that I've gone ahead and put on a floral stem. And what you're going to need from Walmart are some of these peel and stick gemstones. You can find these on a half sheet size at Dollar Tree. I've got a floral foam that I've cut in half. The floral foam is from Michaels. I'm going to be using some hot glue on my project, but if there are any components that you'd like to make permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to get the centerpiece completed, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And it was so easy to make. Let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, guys. Another super simple and beautiful glam DIY. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.